In today's Blitz Royale video, we have a new timer, which, obviously it was a countdown to the One Punch Man medallion being out for everyone. So here is a quick game of me and Bartelius, and hope you enjoy. And with these final hits, we have won. So, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. We are gaining on 300 really fast. If we could hit it by the end of the year, that would be insane. So, have a great day.